In this video, I will show you how to remove your search bar in Shopify. As you can see here, if I click on the search icon, it shows my search bar. To remove that, go to your Shopify dashboard, then go to Online Store. Now click the three dots beside your store and edit code. Once in, search for base.css and go to it. Now go to the bottom of the code, and here I have a code that you can copy in the description box. So just copy that, then paste it in the base CSS field. Once done, click on Save on the top right corner. Now if you go back to your store, refresh it, and you'll see the search icon or bar disappear. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.